By the way, I'll be observing you in court this afternoon. I've been hearing some good things about you.
Oh, no.
Fletcher has just been telling me how much he thinks of you. Well, why don't you tell Mr.
No!
He's a pedantic, pontificating, pretentious bastard, a belligerent old fart, a worthless, steaming pile of cow dung. Figuratively speaking.
That's the funniest damn thing I've ever heard! I love a good roast! Ooh, Simmons!
Oh, okay.
Simmons is old. He should have been out of the game years ago, but he can't stay home because he hates his wife.
That is actually really f***ing funny.
Will, degenerate.
I like your stuff!
All right, you know what? Okay.
Stubby coming in!
Oh, okay.
Good. I'll see you later,
She cannot believe that it f***ing worked. Oh my god. She's so mad that it didn't work. That's actually f***ing hilarious. They have a good sense of humor, I guess. Run away. Just run away.
Fart, a worthless, steaming pile of cow dung.
This way.
She just wants revenge.
Mr. Allen, you remember Fletcher?
Oh, she's getting her revenge. She's getting it.
Well, what do you think of him?
Oh, God. Please, run away. Run away. No, I can't do this. This is...
He's a pedantic, pontificating, pretentious bastard, a belligerent old fart, a worthless, steaming pile of cow dung.
Oh, all of their faces are like, oh, that dude, that was just cringe. It's like, oh.
That's the funniest damn thing I've ever heard! You're a real card, Reed! I love it!
Simmons is old. He can't stay home because he hates his wife.
Wow, this is great. This is perfect. This is working for him.
Mr. Allen's ass, I can't tell where you end and he begins.
Oh, shit.
I don't know whether to comb it or scrape it off with a shovel and bury it alive. Degenerate.
Wow, he just called her a slut?
Stubby coming in! A little irreverence!
I'll see you later, dickhead.
Wow. Oh my god. Oh wow. That really backfired on her. Oh shit, he's laughing in her ear.
Keep your eye on that boy! Dickhead!
They loved it. That's great. Oh, that was a bit much.
Partnership committee is being headed up by Mr. Allen himself. What do you think of him?
He's a pedantic, pontificating, pretentious bastard, a belligerent old fart, a worthless, steaming pile of cow dung.
I wonder, like, if he has to answer,
This way.
or like, can he just stay quiet?
Your meeting.
Apparently not.
I've been hearing some good things about you.
Fletcher has just been telling me how much he thinks of you.
Bastard, a belligerent old fart, a worthless, steaming pile of cow dung. Figuratively speaking.
Yikes. Yikes. In front of everyone, too. That is so rude.
Oh. All right.
That's the funniest damn thing I've ever heard! You're a real card, Reed! Of a good roast! Do Simmons!
Simmons is old. He should have been out of the game years ago, but he can't stay home because he hates his wife.
I love a guy who's...
You're the biggest brown nose I've ever seen. You got your head so far up Mr. Allen's ass, I can't tell where you end and he begins.
Priceless!
You have bad breath caused by gingivitis. You couldn't get a porn star off. Hairpiece looks like something that was killed crossing the highway.
Oh, no, too far.
Loser! Idiot! Will! Degenerate!
Oh, my gosh.
A little irreverence!
Oh, my God. That's how you know context matters, man. Context matters.
Dickhead! Priceless!
Oh, no. can't believe that happened.
Keep your eye on that boy. Dickhead.
Really? How delightful. This way. Pardon me for interrupting your meeting.
Oh no, a meeting! And she's gonna have him say it all.
Well, what do you think of him?
Oh no, oh no.
He's a pedantic, pontificating, pretentious bastard. A belligerent old fart, a worthless, steaming pile of cow dung.
Oh no. So embarrassing, so awkward. Is he gonna laugh? He laughed. He laughed. Well, okay, that's good, right?
Simmons is old! He should have been out of the game years.
Maybe because they're all lawyers. These are his people.
You've met her at the Christmas parties. She's the one that gets plastered and calls him a retard.
He's gonna go too far at some point. He's gonna go too far.
Loser!
Oh.
Will! Degenerate!
I guess he did not go too far.
Oh, no, irreverence! Good! I'll see you later, dickhead!
Oh my gosh, well that went well.
I think that she's about to take her revenge. Yup.
What do you think of him?
She's doing it on purpose! No!
Really? How delightful. This way.
Don't! Just get out of there! Get out!
He's a pedantic, pontificating, pretentious...
No! You're fired! You're dead! What just happened?
That's the funniest thing I've ever heard. You're a real card, Reed.
Did he actually think that he's making a joke?
Simmons is old!
Oh my god, he's so lucky!
He can't stay home because he hates his wife!
He's making a whole show for them! I think that you're overdoing it, like, you can screw up.
You couldn't get a porn star on. Your hairpiece looks like something that was killed crossing the highway. I don't know whether to comb it or scrape it off with a shovel.
Like he's spilling the whole tea on them! Take from that bitch, yeah!
It's nice to see you too. You know that the partnership committee is being headed up by Mr. Allen. What do you think of?
No.
The pontificating, pretentious bastard. Belligerent old fart, the worthless, steaming pile.
Is she, like, recording this? Oh
How delightful. Oh, this way. Meeting. Mr. Allen, you remember?
Oh God, no, meeting!
Court this afternoon. I've been hearing some good things about...
Oh, no, not today.
Well, why don't you tell Mr. Allen? Well, what do you think of him?
Shit. You kill him. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. You don't have to say anything. Shut up.
Pedantic, pontificating, pretentious bastard.
Oh.
Figuratively speaking.
Everyone just laugh.
You're a real card, Reed. I love a good roast.
Okay.
Do Simmons.
Simmons is old. He can't stay home because he hates his wife. She's the one that gets plastered and calls him a retard.
Oh my God.
Loser! Idiot! Will! I'll see you later, dickhead!
What's wrong with them? In your face.
Keep your eye on that boy.
Are you busy?
Extremely.
Good. Would you follow me, please?
I said extremely. She's still about the good.
What do you think of him?
He's a pedantic, pontificating, pretentious bastard. A worthless, steaming pile of cow dung, figuratively speaking.
Really? How delightful. This way.
Oh, this bitch Betty.
Fletcher has just been telling me how much he thinks of you. Well, why don't you tell Mr. Allen? Well, what do you think of him?
He's a pedantic, pontificating, pretentious bastard. A worthless, steaming pile of cow dung.
Oh, he's unemployed. He's A. Hey, she's petty.
That's the funniest damn thing I've ever heard! Do Simmons!
Simmons is old! He should have been out of the game years ago, but he can't stay home because he hates his wife!
Oh, did this not turn out how I thought it was going to turn out?
I'll see you later, dickhead!
It's priceless!
Hey, that's up. How you know she pissed the off?